Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable and disable dark mode and choose multiple and colors in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to enable or disable dark mode and also choose multiple and colors or switch colors, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply right click on your desktop and click personalize. You can also go to your settings. Just go to settings and here go to personalization here and then go to colors. Now once you are in color, you must see choose your mode. So just select or click up here and then select light or dark. So I'm gonna select light here and your PC will be changed to light mode or if you want to enable dark mode. So you can also select dark mode from here. Here you must see your accent color. So you just have to select any color which you want to set. So let's say I'm gonna select this yellow gold. So once I've selected, just go back and I can see that my accent color has been changed. My mode has been changed. If I want to enable dark mode, just go to right click on here and go to personalize and in personalization go to colors and then go straight click on light and select dark from here. Once you have selected dark, your dark mode will be enabled. So in this way, you can easily switch your modes and colors in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.